Hi, my name is Lack, co-founder of Wait the Tiger, a brand new immersive and interactive art experience in Bristol, UK. A chance for people of all ages to travel deep into mysterious other worlds.
Hi, I'm Graham, co-founder of Wait the Tiger. We've always had a dream to build an experience that opens up our creativity to absolutely everyone in a permanent location all year round.
7 years ago, we invested everything we had and bought this derelict old factory complex. We had workshops here, nightclubs, immersive nights, but it was never the full vision. COVID gave us this perfect opportunity to really dive in and understand what this incredible project could be.
Step through the secret portal into the amazing world of Meridia, a multi-layered maze of immersive environments, secret passageways, hidden forests, ice caves and temples. So many fantastical wonders to lose yourself in.
As soon as the first investment was secured, the team started building the park, and now, many months later, we have raised over 1.5 million and have over 100 artists working flat out on everything from scenic to robotics, writing stories, building props. It's absolutely phenomenal. And now we're opening up further, and we want to invite you to become shareholders in Wait the Tiger.
Wait the Tiger is all about building worlds and expanding our narrative. And we're going to do that through immersive theatrical nights and the exciting digital world of Meridia, where the opportunities will be endless. Investing in this concept and in our team is the opportunity to be part of something that has its core values embedded from the very start. A brand new, forward-thinking company that can inspire positive shifts in the world.
Opening this summer, over 250,000 people will experience this amazing new world. And this crowd cube raise will allow us to perfect the detail and push things that little bit further.
And that is just phase one of the park on the ground floor. We've got our magnificent 3-storey warehouse to develop into for phase two as our world continues to grow and the ideas just keep bubbling over. So we're the team best placed to deliver this amazing new concept at a time when the experience attractions are booming.
The possibilities are endless, so join us and become a shareholder in Wait the Tiger. Thank you.